Okay, this is another great opportunity right here, and I thought this is a really good flip. Okay, this house I'm talking about, we're talking about right here is number one, right? Right now it's active. We're still active. Hopefully, by the time we make the decision, it's still active. But anyway, I think it's gonna be gone soon. And this one, um, is only they are only looking for cash offer. Well, this is the very important number right here that we need to know that the total square footage for this house is 1700, almost 1800. And why it is important? It's important because based on that number, we can compare with all the other houses in the neighborhood. So this house that is available right here, right, and there are some other house that is in the neighborhood that was sold, and these are similar houses. Okay, so I want to take a look at number six. Okay, so where is number six? um Number six is hiding somewhere. Oh, right here. Number six. Right, this house is actually very similar to the other house. The only difference is that it has a garage right here. It's expanded. It bumping out a little bit, and it has the porch at the front, right? But it's selling for 525. So they get and the interior is very nice, right? So basically, it's almost the same. We walk in the stairway right there, and all this sort of stuff. So, but because of that, right? But that also mean that the house in the neighborhood can go for up to 525. They put it on the market for basically 519, and they sold it right away within a few days, and people bid it up. But this house is a little different. But the look at number five. Number five, which is right here, right? And it's almost the exact same kind of house. The this thing is that basically the yard is almost the same right here. They have a little landscaping. Roof is fine. The garage just like we do have at the other house, and then the house is right like that, right? And let's look at the interior. Well, they have this thing in the back here. They have the deck, and wow, they actually have this thing in the back. The pool. Yeah, basically they have two pool. But I don't know if this actually increased the value of the house or not. Or maybe this is I think this is the in-ground pool. Oh, the hockey thing. I don't know. It says something right here. I don't know if that increased the value of the house. I'm not sure. But the interior, they renew everything, upgrade everything. It's basically the kitchen green cabinet. Wow. I don't know if this is pretty, but it's something that for me I don't think it's nice. But it is look clean, nice and clean. Some people like it, maybe. But we can see that everything is very organized, and it's new kitchen and new cabinet. Basically they did everything. Um, Everything is new. The bathroom is new. The floor is new. New paint. This is new, but I mean the quality. Look at this thing. This is just like a regular Home Depot kind of sink. So now that we know that they finished everything on the interior, and this house was selling for, I mean, it sold for 500 exactly, and it was on the market for 5 days only. So it's instantly, and so basically they were put it on the market for 475 and sold for 500. Okay, so now this house, right, number five for 500. And number one, is there a difference in two houses? Um, okay, so it's almost the same, right? Same exact house. The thing is, the backyard, they have that kind of thing, and we don't. So that might be a little thing, but they were selling for 500. Let's say we don't have the yard. Let's say 480, 490. I don't know. But the the upper end of this kind of house in this neighborhood, as we can say, is that is is can get up there to 500 and 525 if we are willing to expand it a little more, like the porch right out here and around, or maybe some kind of we can add more value. Basically, the comms stairs can go up to 525. Okay,